Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video today I'm going to show you how to add Visa gift card to Uber Eats. So let's get into the video. Open up Uber Eats and log into your account. So I've logged into mine here. So what I'm going to do now is hit on this hamburger icon here on your top left for the menu. So hit on it and then go to wallet, select wallet. So once you're on your wallet here, Uber wallet, so what you're going to do, you're going to scroll down and then hit on add payment method, click on it, and then when you get to add payment method here, select on spend, and then here when you get to your add payment method, simply select your Visa or debit card because you're going to use your you're going to use your Visa card. So click on add credit or debit card, and then simply type in your Visa card details here and then hit on add card. So then this card will be added and you are good to use this card for your next order or purchase. So that's pretty much it is. So I hope this video is helpful to you all. I will see you in another video. Thank you.